All right. So today we're gonna start a course on this channel. We're gonna start. This is gonna be AS level. AS level. AS level. That's good. It's the wrong side. Let's see properly. AS level biology. So we're gonna do distance. We're gonna do distance between lines. Distance. This first topic is gonna be distance between points. Between points. Now, the main take from distance between points is that when you want to calculate the distance between points, you do need some information as to where the points are located on a Cartesian graph or a Cartesian axioms graph Cartesian graph. These points need to have particular locations on the graph, and they need to basically be able to have distinct position on the graph and not be. They need to be. Well, they can be negative. They just need to. It needs to be two distinct points. We're going to calculate the distance between two distinct points, and everything else is a given. You can draw. If you can draw a line that is connecting those 2 points, then you can ideally calculate the distance between those points. So if we take a line, 2 axes, like that, and then 1 point here, another point there, and then we want to calculate in the y-axis and x-axis, we want to calculate the distance between these 2 points. We would need information as to what are its coordinates. So let's take these coordinates to be 3, and that to be 4, and this to be 7, and this to be 10. So here we can see that this point here is 3. Sorry. What the hell? This point here is 3, 4. This point here is 7, 10 on the x and y axis. So we want to calculate the distance between these 2 points. We're gonna do something like this. We're gonna form a right angle triangle. Let this point is C. If you let this point be A and B, this point is gonna be C, and then we're gonna say this point is gonna have coordinates 7, and then it's going to have y coordinate of 4. Now, seeing that this point has the same x coordinate as point B and has the same y coordinate as point A, what we can do is draw that triangle, right angle triangle that we're looking for, this kind. We're going to do a right angle triangle like this, and we'll have C, A, and B. So what we do is easily find the distance between these 2 lines. What we can do here is we know that the distance between this line and that line is the y coordinate is the same, so the distance here 7 minus 3 is 4. The x coordinate is the same, so the distance here 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is 4 and 6. After this, we just apply Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Whoa. Shit. Damn it. Okay. Eliminate that part. Yeah. So Pythagorean theorem. We're saying a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So c equals the square root of a squared plus b squared. This is all you gotta do, and then just plug in the values. This is a, 4 squared, plus this is b, 6 squared. It will then give you the square root of 4 squared is 16, 6 squared is 36. 36 plus 16 is going to give you root 52. Most situations, this is going to be enough. You don't need to go to your calculator. You don't need to start going to your calculator and try to compute what is the root of 52. It's going to give you something like 7.21, You don't need to do this. You can leave it as the answer as root 52. That's usually satisfactory. So this is the easiest way of calculating the distance between points. That was the first topic. That was the first topic in what I wanted to cover here. And if you're having any questions, any problems as to how we did it so far, please you share them in the like section, and just keep giving me feedback, guys. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you very much.